some snow. Woo! I like snow. Do you like snow? Oh, ooh. What's that? Oh, it's a Christmas robin. Ooh. I like Christmas robins. Do you like Christmas robins? Yes, so do I. Ooh. Off you go, Christmas robin. Fly away. Ooh, come back a second. There we go. This Christmas robin. See his tummy. What colour's his tummy? It's red, isn't it? R-E-D. Christmas robins have got a red tummy. Yes, they have. Come on, fly away, Christmas robin. Ooh, there we go. Now, in Jasper's magic room, Christmas robins that always have a red tummy sometimes have a different colour tummy. Yes, they do. If another one flies down, can you tell me what tummy is this? What colour his tummy is? Okay, here we go. Ooh. What colour is this Christmas robin's tummy? It's pink, isn't it? P-I-N-K. Pink. That's right, it's pink. Oh, he's going again. Here's another one. What colour is this Christmas robin? He's got a green tummy, hasn't he? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Yes, oh, he's going again. Next one. It's a real Christmas robin, because this one's got the red tummy, which is how Christmas robins are supposed to be, with a red tummy. R-E-D. That's right, red. Oh, he's going again. Here's another one. He's got a yellow tummy. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Oh, he's gone again. Oh, here's another one. What colour's his tummy? It's blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Here's another one. He's got a grey tummy. G-R-E-Y. Grey. Off he goes. Ooh, here's another one. What colour's his tummy? It's brown. He's got a brown tummy. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Yes, he has. Oh, there comes another one. His tummy's white. Yes, it is. W-H-I-T-E. White. Off he goes again. Oh! Here's another one. What colour's his tummy? It's purple. He's got a purple tummy. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Oh, he's going again. Here's another one. His tummy's black. Yes, it is. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Here's another one. What colour's his tummy? It's orange. Yeah. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Oh, he's going again. Oh. Shall we? Good idea time. So we bring 4 more robins back with all different coloured tummies. And you have to guess what each one is. That's a good idea, isn't it? Okay, here we go. Orange. Purple. White. Black. That's right. Can you point... Ooh, can't say the word. Can you point to the black robin? That's right, well done, that's the black robin. Which one's the white robin? Well done. which one's the orange robin? That's right, that's the orange robin. And which one's the purple robin? That's right, well done. Woo! Should we do it again? Okay, off you go, robins. Come back more, robins. Blue, yellow, green, a red, a proper red robin breast. Okay, robin tummy. Can you point to the green robin? That's right, that's the green robin. Which one's the blue robin? Well done. I can't stop Jasper can't stop coughing. Can you point to the yellow robin for me? Well done, that's the yellow robin. And which one's the red robin? Yay! That's the red robin. Well, off you go, robins. That was good fun, wasn't it? Learning all our colours with all the different coloured tummy robins. Yes, it was. Will you come back and see me again tomorrow? And then we can learn something new. And we'll be a day closer to Christmas. Okay, just press the subscribe button down below for me. The red button down there, that's right. And I'll see you tomorrow. Come here, Mum. I want me breakfast. See you tomorrow. Bye.